Welcome to TaxBandits, an IRS-authorized, compliance-driven e-file solution. Form 1099 DIV is an IRS information return used to report dividends and certain other distributions paid to individuals or entities during the tax year. It is typically filed by corporations, financial institutions, mutual funds, and other entities that distribute $10 or more in dividends or capital gain distributions. TaxBandits offers a secure, self-service e-filing platform that enables businesses, financial institutions, and tax professionals to prepare and file Form 1099 DIV accurately and on time. To begin filing Form 1099 DIV in TaxBandits, click Start New, then select 1099 DIV from the Form 1099 series. TaxBandits supports filing for the current tax year as well as up to 2 prior tax years. Choose the appropriate tax year and click File Form 1099 DIV. Start by confirming the correct tax year at the top of the form. In the Payer section, enter the payer's legal business name, full mailing address, and employer identification number. Make sure this information matches IRS records exactly. If the business was terminated during the tax year, check the applicable box. Next, complete the recipient section. Enter the recipient's full legal name, taxpayer identification number, and complete mailing address. If you assign account numbers for internal tracking, enter that in the account number field. Only check the FATCA filing requirement or Second 10 notice boxes if they specifically apply. Now move to the primary reporting. Box 1A is used to report total ordinary dividends paid during the year. Box 1B is used to report the portion of those dividends that qualify for the reduced capital gains tax rate. Box 2A is for total capital gain distributions. If applicable, report any specialized capital gain amounts in the related boxes. Box 3 is used for non-dividend distributions, such as return of capital. If federal income tax was withheld, report that in Box 4. Box 5 is used to report Section 199A dividends, if applicable. Box 6 is for investment expenses when required. If foreign tax was paid, enter it in Box 7 and identify the foreign country or U.S. territory in Box 8. Boxes 9 and 10 are used to report cash and non-cash liquidation distributions. Box 12 reports exempt-interest dividends, and Box 13 reports specified private activity bond interest dividends. Now review the state information section at the bottom of the form. If state income tax was withheld, enter the state, the payer's state identification number, and the amount of state tax withheld. If no state tax income was withheld, this section can remain blank. Carefully review all payer information, recipient details, and reported boxes for accuracy. Once validated and confirmed, click Save and Continue. You'll be taken to a review screen where you can verify your entries, make edits, add additional forms, or proceed to the state filing section. Based on the information provided, TaxBandits automatically identifies and highlights any applicable state filing requirements. Next, proceed to form distribution, where you choose how recipients receive their copies. Options include postal mailing only or recipient portal access, which allows recipients to securely view their forms online. After distribution preferences are set, continue to review forms. TaxBandits automatically checks for missing or invalid information and flags any issues so they can be corrected before filing. When ready, proceed to the filing summary, add the filing to your cart, and move to checkout. To complete your order, review and acknowledge the credit card usage authorization. Confirm that you are authorized to use the entered payment method and grant TaxBandits permission to process the charge. Select Pay and Transmit to submit payment and transmit your filing. Once payment is successfully processed, your order will be finalized. File Form 1099 DIV with confidence. Visit TaxBandits.com for a secure, IRS-authorized e-filing solution with built-in validations and expert support.